This is a 2023 A-level paper, question number 8 MCQ. Given gross profit as well as net profit is given. Think gross profit 150,000, net profit equal 80,000, and damage stock also given 20,000. So this is the damage stock and gross profit as well as net profit. And given insurance company agreed to pay as a compensation. Insurance company agreed to pay as a compensation 80%. They ask requirement, what are the correct gross profit as well as net profit if loss of inventory and insurance claim had been properly adjusted? Right. Think first one, gross profit 150,000 as well as net profit is given 80,000. Stock loss should be recorded under cost of sales calculation based on matching concepts, as well as stock loss should be recorded under other expense also. I think first one, 20,000 damage stock should be recorded under cost of sales calculation, but it has not recorded. Damage stock should be deducted under cost of sales calculation, not deducted. Therefore, effect for cost of sales increase. If cost of sales increase, gross profit decrease. Therefore, for correction, 20,000 should be added to the gross profit. If gross profit increase, it is effect automatically for net profit also. Think 20,000 should be deducted under cost of sales calculation, but it has not deducted. Therefore, effect for cost of sales increase, gross profit decrease. For correction, should be added to the gross profit. If gross profit increase, it is effect automatically for net profit also. Therefore, net profit also should be added 20,000. That is the first part. Second one, think insurance company agreed to pay as a compensation 80%. Therefore, 80% insurance receivable. Based on 20,000, 80% equal. Insurance 80% equal. Insurance receivable equal 16,000. Think balance part. Balance part cannot be recovered. Therefore, that is value should be considered as a damage stock loss. As a damage stock loss should be considered 4,000. Then think damage stock loss should be deducted under other expense. It is effect for net profit. Therefore, it has not recorded. Therefore, effect for net profit increase. As a stock loss should be recorded under other expense 4,000 should be deducted, but it has not recorded. Therefore, effect for net profit, that value should be considered as expense, not deducted. Therefore, effect for net profit increase. For correction, 4,000 should be deducted from net profit. They ask correct gross profit and correct net profit. There are two things you have to consider. First one thing, 20,000 should be recorded under cost of sales calculation, but it has not recorded under cost of sales calculation. Therefore, effect for cost of sales increase, gross profit decrease. For correction should be added to the gross profit. If gross profit increase, it is effect automatically for net profit also. It is effect automatically for net profit also. Therefore, 20,000 should be added both gross profit as well as net profit. But 4,000, insurance company agreed to pay 80%, balance 20% cannot be recovered. Therefore, balance 20% should be considered as expense. It should be recorded other expense, but it has not recorded. Therefore, effect for profit increase, 4,000 should be deducted from 4,000 should be deducted from net profit. Therefore, they ask correct gross profit as well as correct net profit. Question number 8, answer is fifth one. There are two things you have to consider. First one, consider damage stock value. And second one, insurance company agreed to pay 80%, but balance 20% cannot be recovered. Balance 20% should be considered as expense. That value should be recorded other expense. As such, damage stock should be recorded under cost of sales calculation. but those are not recorded. There's what is the correct gross profit and net profit if loss of inventory and insurance claim had been properly adjusted. Therefore, answer is 5.